friends, welcome to my channel. First, wish you a very happy Pongal. And today, we are going to do a happy Pongal greeting card. Are you friends ready? Let's start. So first, we need a white paper, pencils, and something to color with. Alright, let's start. Now, with a marker, we are going to write Happy Pongal. Now, let's draw the H with the marker. And done. Alright. Now, we are going to draw the pot. Let's start. So, with a pencil, and I'm also using a hat eraser. Do you like it? Thank you. And I'm gonna put it right here. We are going to trace that. Alright, now the other side. Now I'm done. Now we are going to draw some sugar canes. Alright, over here we are going to draw like an oval shape. Now we're going to draw the leaves. Okay, so now I'm done. Now let's draw 3 little kids flying kites. So first I'm going to start at the L of the Pongal. We're going to draw a face. Alright, now let's draw the last hand of the girl. And done. Now we're going to draw the kites. Alright, I am done. Now it is time to color. Now let's start with this. And done. Alright. Now let's color the pot. And done. Now let's color the kids. Alright, I'm gonna use yellow for here. Alright, done with the necklace. And now here. And done. Alright, now let's draw the kites the kids are holding. Alright, I'm done. I hope you like this greeting card I made. And once again, wish you a very happy Pongal to everyone. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye!